Yeah. She asked me, really, do you love me? I said, wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying. But giving up seems way too nice. Way too nice. All of my friends are doing things. Yeah, well I drive alone down empty streets. It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road somehow. Well, how does my future play out?
I want to, but I've also
Cause I don't want to let my mom down.
Jordan and I have made it to our room. How do we like it?
It's awesome.
So, we have this strange little, I want to say the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, like Narnia thing going on back there. There's a light switch. It's not as creepy. But, yeah. Jordan and I's bags are over here. We got twin bed number 1. Twin bed number 2. And, yeah. You can hear everyone else in the house, but we're good. So, we're chilling. Martha's Vineyard. I literally come every year. So, this is just the first time we're staying at my cousin's house. And then, this is Jordan's first time ever. So, we also are doing work while we're here though, so you'll see us in the dining room at the table on our computers. But yeah, grocery shopping tomorrow because it is literally 9 p.m.
Cause I don't wanna let my mom down. I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying. Giving up seems way too nice. 24 is where I draw the line. I'm too old to say I got time. I'm way too young to say I tried. Giving up seems way too nice. Way too nice. Spending my time, spending my money all on a daydream. How do you make everyone listen saying the wrong things? Oh, daddy said it's time to move on. But I don't wanna drink the waterfall. It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road somehow. Well, how does my future play out? Cause I don't wanna let myself down. I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying. But giving up seems way too nice. 24 is where I draw the line. I'm too old to say I got time. I'm way too young to say I tried. But giving up seems way too nice. Way too nice.
So what's up everyone, it is August 5th and today Jordan and I are going to the museum and then the beach. It has been a really nice week in Martha's Vineyard and we've been pretty much at the beach every day, but I haven't taken you along. So this will be the first full day I take you with me besides the little clips sprinkled in from the rest of the week. Are you ready, Jordan?
Let's go.
Pretty much packed to leave now, but I did want to show the books that we got at Bunch of Grapes, which is a local bookstore in Martha's Vineyard and Vineyard Haven specifically. So I got my friend Zoe's books. I got Godslayer, and then I got the, Gearbreakers, and then the sequel, Godslayers. And I texted her about it, and we were just laughing about that. And then Jordan, what books did you get?
I got one book. I got Conversation with Friends by Sally Rooney. It's about, like, a university student who has an affair with an older man. So it's really kind of spicy, but yeah.
Spicy book reads. we are going to read these while we're on the beach and probably completely zone out. They gave us, well, they gave me two, and I gave one to Jordan actually, but they gave us these cute little bookmarks, and I love them. And their quote says, "To know a man's library is in some measure is to know a man's mind," by Geraldine Brooks. And I also got a mug that's in my mom's room. I'll show that later. But yes, taking gears with me, and we're gonna read it.
Seems way too nice, way too nice.
Look at your feelings, show me you want it. You got a better, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. What you feeling? Body been calling. You know this good shit, you better on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back it up. Ain't no time to play with you. Had your time to get with it. Now I'm in your face with it. What you gon' do with it? Lace up to the ceiling. Know that I'm a freak with it. Hit you when I need it, but you know what it is. Look at your feelings, show me you want it. You been a fan of, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Know you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you better on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back it up. This is situation, pull up on me, baby. Come give me the first, yeah, if you know what I'm saying. This pussy is healing when I get you deep in it. I know that you feel me, but you know what it is. It's crazy, you're talking crazy when you get faded. Foolish, I want you bootlish, don't keep me waiting. On it, I want you on it, got you hooked off it. But I don't need you for it. Look at your feelings, show me you want it. You been a fan of, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Know you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you better on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back it up.
I wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying, but giving up seems way too nice. Way too nice. All of my friends are doing things. Yeah, I drive alone down empty streets. It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road somehow. Well, how does my future play out? 'Cause I don't wanna let my mom down. I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying.